Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I am preparing Mutton Rogan Josh. This curry is the ultimate crowd pleaser and an absolute must-have during special occasions. This delicious, intense red gravy is full of fragrant spices and tender meat. Please refer the description section for the details. I'll go about the ingredients as I proceed with the recipe. First, I will soak strands of saffron in a cup of yogurt. I'll add a little amount of fennel powder, followed by adding ginger powder, that is Saunt. I'll mix it so that saffron dissolves in yogurt. Then I'll heat up a pot and add a teaspoon of oil and a ghee. The pot should be having a thick bottom. In that, I'll start frying 3 large thinly sliced onions. I'll fry till the onions are golden brown in color. Once I have fried the onion, I'll add the whole dry spices and follow by adding meat. In a bowl, I'll be taking the garlic paste, ginger paste, Kashmiri Red chilli powder, coriander seed powder, turmeric powder and cumin seed powder, and mix it with little amount of water so that the masalas don't burn when I'm adding it to the meat. At this point, I'll be keeping the flame low and I'll fry so that the meat gets coated with all the masalas. I will add a little amount of Asafoetida, followed by adding freshly ground Garam masala powder. I'll season it with salt as per taste. Then it is the time to increase the flame and start frying the mutton on a high flame. But keep stirring so that the masalas doesn't get burned. Then it is the time to add a little amount of water. Put the lid on and cook till the mutton is totally tender. After some half an hour or so, the mutton is thoroughly cooked. It is the time to add the yogurt in which I have dissolved saffron strands, fennel seeds and ginger powder and cook it on a low flame and cook till the saffron releases all its beautiful red color. The gravy has been simmering for around 15 minutes and it is almost cooked and it is ready for serving. You can enjoy this gravy with naan, roti. It tastes delicious as much as it looks beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos.